Hey everyone, this will be an unboxing of the Top Fin 2.6 gallon all glass aquarium. It also has LED and internal filter on it. I bought this to replace my 2.5 gallon tank that my female beta is in. That has a leak in it. Finally. It's been over a week since it's had a leak, but still. This was on sale for 25 bucks. So I figured I would just buy it. Go ahead and get this. It also has a filter on it, which will hopefully not be too strong, like a lot of those filters are when they're small tanks, but we can hope here. Alright. So we got to protect it. Alright, there it is. See, there's nothing else in there. Alright, oh, okay, so this is actually plastic. So that's plastic. Alright, then it comes with multi-stage Top Fin internal filter 10. Does up to 97 gallons per hour. Dang, that's really quick. 2-in-1 filtration sponge, but it has adjustable flow rate. Hopefully it can be adjusted quite a bit, because this is for up to a 10 gallon tank. And this is only 2.6 gallons. So that'd be crazy quick on here. Alright, and we got the LEDs, and hope the LEDs. Oh, there's an adapter. Oh, yep, here we are. Looks you can actually flip it back and forward. Quite a few LEDs on there. Decent looking little thing. Of course, it's all plastic, but that's kind of to be expected. Oh, this is glass. And there's my cat. But, yeah, so this is all glass. Nice little square. Let's see if it says what it is. The dimensions on here. The dimensions are not on the box. But anyway, here are some instructions. Of course, probably have to do with setting it up and whatnot. Alright. So yeah, so you get a nice looking little square tank. Internal filter from Top Fin, and the LED light. And of course your adapter for it. Oh, then I didn't show, this does have an on-off switch, so you don't need to unplug it and replug it in every time you want to turn it on and off. Alright, thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Goodbye.